How's it going, everybody? This is BeatTheBush. This is the desk chair mat from Clearly Innovative. They have a patent on this beveled edge here. The edge is a little bit thinner. It helps you roll onto it because it's not as high. Let's roll this on. All right. Here it comes. Let me show you the careful packaging that they have, and also if these aftermarket wheels are needed. Clearly Innovative Lifetime Chair Mats. It contains tempered glass. They use quite a bit of packing material to protect your glass. The edge of the glass sits on top of this foamy piece. Then it's protected by this high density cardboard. Then it sits on top of this additional piece of foam. Then it touches the outside of the box. Then you have this big piece of foam on the top and bottom side of the glass. This is the included letter. For hardwood floors, you put these discs along the edge every 24 inches. It's slightly rubbery. Sticky side is on one side. And you just stick these on the non-beveled side of the glass. The Velcro is for carpeted floors. Cut them into fourths. And you can use 2 of these first. I've been using a piece of MDF board on the carpet, and whenever I roll over the edge, the wood disintegrates. Clean both sides first. The corners are about 3-inch radius. I'll stick these stickies right at the center of the radius. And I put the hook side on the glass because then I can potentially just use only the hook side on the carpet, and hopefully this will make it stay. And also on another corner. The taper is about 1 inch wide. Thickness of the glass goes from about 1/4 inch down to about 0.16 inches on the edge. They recommend you to lean the bevel side on the wall to relieve stress. Never knock any metal items onto the surface or on the edge. This could crack glass, obviously. The desk legs are usually metal, so you should keep 1 inch away from desk legs. Vacuum the area that you're gonna put this on top of because it is see-through and you'll see all the dirt underneath. It also helps to pick up any hard items. Maybe there's little screws or something that could damage the glass. Roll this guy on top. Nice. Oh, geez. Look at this. Oh, it just keeps on rolling. Huh. Feels pretty solid. Sometimes my girlfriend walks in while I'm doing reviews. I wonder what she'll think if she sees this one. Push off a little bit. Woo! It kind of gracefully falls off the edge. Get back on. You might say, hey, you got aftermarket wheels there. Let me switch them back to the OEM wheels. Not as good. It doesn't just keep on rolling. It feels like it's rolling on plastic, really. I'm trying to go straight back, right? And it's kind of going that way a little bit instead. Let's see the push-off marks. Ooh, that sounds painful. You actually can't just roll onto this platform while sitting down. You have to get up a little bit and lift the chair to help it onto the platform. So I'm definitely keeping those caster wheels. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys are interested in this glass surface or this wheel, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.